What's up, guys? So one of the subscribers, actually John, had recommended doing this feature that I actually didn't know existed on the Jeep. So if you want to check to see if your engine is throwing any codes or your Jeep has any bad codes, simply all you have to do is insert your key into the ignition, and you're going to flick the key forward to almost start 3 times. So we're going to do here 1, 2, 3. And then, as you can see, for mine, there weren't any codes, so it just said done. But if it does have codes, the codes will show up there. So another cool tip to run a test on all your gauges here, what you're going to want to do, I'm going to set you guys down here, is just push and hold the trip meter, and then just turn the ignition forward, and then let go. And then now it's just going to do a full gauge test, which is kind of cool. So you see my miles went to 0. So it'll test the brights, the brake, seat belt, check engine light, the check gauges light, fuel, full-time 4-wheel drive, part-time 4-wheel drive, cruise control, which my Jeep doesn't have, shift light. Then it'll check the speedometer, so it'll do 3 different speeds, and that's the fastest my Jeep has ever gone. Then it'll do the fuel gauge. This is kind of interesting, so just kind of goes through all the checks here. It's kind of weird seeing your temp gauge so hot, but I'll check the tachometer. Check the battery, the voltage. I'll check the oil pressure last here. And then we'll go back to where everything's actually at. So anyway, guys, I wanted to just thank John for the great video idea. But if you guys enjoyed the video or helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.